Good day, everyone. We are the sixth group under the section THW2, and today we will be presenting a project proposal for the course Engineering Economy. For those of you who may not know, Engineering Economy is a course that covers the fundamentals of engineering decisions and economic analysis of engineering alternatives. This covers many topics, but the one we are concerned with today is economic analysis, which is the study of different economic factors affecting a process or event with the purpose of making wiser decisions in the future. Hence, today we will be presenting a project proposal detailing our chosen problem, its proposed solution, and the possible alternatives for implementing said solution. To start with, let us look at the background of the problem. We know that floods occur when an overflow of water submerges land that is usually dry. In cities, we experience urban flooding, which usually happens when excessive runoff doesn't have anywhere to go. In more densely populated areas, we can observe higher flood hazards due to a variety of reasons. The South Luzon Expressway, more commonly known as SLEX, also experiences such flooding in different areas, despite past efforts to rehabilitate the expressway. Specifically, the area between the Susana Heights exit and the Southwoods exit still experiences up to waist-level flooding, especially during heavy typhoons.
For this proposal statement of the problem, the researchers aim to find the causes of flooding in SLEX and to look for the best alternative that may be applied in order to address this problem. Specifically, the researchers seek to find answers to these questions. Number 1. What is the damage scale of the flooding in SLEX? This includes the extent of flooding, the problems it has caused to the motorists, and the cost of damages. Number 2. What are the causes of flooding? This includes the engineering or geotechnical concepts behind the occurrence of the flooding and the flooding-induced hazards. Number 3. What are the current efforts and technology applied to the roads of SLEX? Of these current efforts and technology, which ones are the ones used to address the problems in flooding? Number 4. What are the applicable alternatives that may be applied to address the problem? For each alternative, the researchers aim to find their advantages, disadvantages, and the cost estimate. Lastly, for number 5, in the concepts of engineering economics, what is the best alternative to be applied to address the problem?
Here are some of the current efforts and or technology that are done to address the problem. The first one is the 3-barrel reinforced concrete box culvert. Box culverts are positioned under the roadway, which allows the water to flow underneath. This is helpful in reducing the flood since it allows the water to pass through below, therefore decreasing the amount of water that will pass through above the road. The installation of this was mentioned by David Umol, the South Luzon Tollway Corporation president back in 2006. The second effort is through the periodic maintenance of SLEX. The maintenance include asphalt resurfacing and pavement repairs, both of which ensures that the road still has a smooth running surface and a good slope for drainage.
With these, we were able to come up with 3 alternatives, namely the asphalt, concrete, and the permeable concrete. Asphalt is beneficial as it is recyclable, cost-efficient, safe, durable, and fast to construct. However, it could feel hotter than it should be with the use of asphalt pavement as it absorbs heat. It also needs to be mixed and laid properly to avoid the presence of cracks and breaks. It releases hydrocarbon and could possibly pollute the water, which are some of its negative impacts to the environment. Concrete has the same advantages with asphalt. It also allows vehicles to consume less fuel, and it also provides a good economic performance. However, it has a high maintenance and paving cost compared to asphalt. It has a positive impact to the environment, such as reducing the amount of pollutants produced by the vehicles, saves energy, and helps preserve our resources. Permeable concrete, on the other hand, provides the same benefits and even increases land utilization. In comparison with the concrete, this is quite expensive as it is not commonly used in the Philippines. Over vibrations occurring on its surface significantly reduces its permeability, making it not a viable choice for high-traffic pavements. It also has a positive impact because it helps reduce the amount of heat present in the environment. Cost-benefit analysis between these alternatives would help determine which among them would best fit as a solution to the problem.
The data needed for the project are as follows. 1. Details or plan of the existing road. 2. Flooding data of or near the area. 3. Projected costs of each alternative. And 4. hazard assessment of the area. These data will be sourced from the existing data from the previous construction or rehabilitation of the road, existing data from various government agencies, and lastly, Hazard Hunter PH.
That is all for our project proposal. Thank you very much for listening, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment them down below.